Hi, this is Jamie Thorne. I'm with Forbo Flooring Systems. I'm the Director of New Business Development. I want to take a few minutes of your time to share a little bit about who Forbo is, what is it we do, and how we can assist you in your communities. Forbo, first of all, was formed in 1928. Actually, our roots go back 150 years. We do $1.3 billion a year in sales, so we're definitely not a small company, and our North American headquarters is in Hazleton, Pennsylvania. Basically, some things that I want to share with you about what we do. We are a global manufacturer of flooring solutions. We have a very unique portfolio of products that for those challenging areas within your community. And we believe in an approach called Forbo 360, which means that not only do we want you to select the right product, we want to make sure it gets properly installed at a fair price and that it's maintained correctly once it's on your floor. Now, I mentioned earlier that we make products for challenging areas. These are a number of the areas within your community where you typically experience some challenges with flooring. Dining rooms, bistros, activity rooms, resident rooms, memory care wings, physical therapy, rehabilitation, fitness areas, wellness centers, corridors, and entrances. Now, one particular area that I'd like to talk with you today about is resident rooms. When you really look at how much money you're spending annually in flooring, this is a big area and something that you might want to take a different approach with. Most carpet traditionally had been used in all resident room applications. Today, we're seeing more people moving towards LVT or LVP, the luxury vinyl planks. But there's still a lot of people using carpet. The good thing about carpet is it is comfortable, it is warm, it's slip resistant, and it has great acoustical values. Some of the challenges and why people have been moving to LVT is it's very hard to clean. It absorbs everything, and that's why you have odors and stains. And you traditionally have wear patterns throughout the area as well. When traditional tufted carpet meets up with another surface, you have to use a transition strip, which is a tripping hazard. Now, when we look at the vinyl plank, where a lot of people are moving towards, and I want to caution people about that. There are some great things. First of all, the look. You can do just about anything. It's a printable surface, so you can make it look just like wood. It doesn't absorb. It has better durability than carpet, traditional carpet, and it's very easy to clean. The cons, though, in my opinion, outweigh the pros. And we make vinyl planks. So when I say this, I'm speaking for our product as well. It is hard and cold. It's very noisy. It's slippery and it scratches, which doesn't make it look very good. Now, the product I'd like to talk with you today about is called Flotex. It actually is the best of both worlds. Its similarity to carpet is that it's very comfortable and warm. It's slip resistant, weather dry. It has acoustical values like carpet, and it doesn't scratch. Now, the similarities to vinyl plank is you can get those same high definition visuals printed on the Flotex just like you would a vinyl plank. It is a waterproof product. In fact, it's great for memory care areas because of incontinence. It's very durable. It has a 20-year system service life. It's easy to clean, and you do not need transition strips when it meets another surface. All right, so now let's take a look at the cost of ownership based on a traditional resident room of 330 square feet. What I've done here on the left-hand side, I have outlined roll carpet, which is traditionally used, the new product people are using today, which is the vinyl plank, and then I've listed Flotex twice. I've listed it once as a 20-year system service life, which is what the product is. But let's say after 10, you want to go ahead and change it. I've also listed it that way as well. So what you have here is you have your first cost. As you can see, Flotex is much more expensive than what is being used today. Then you have your markup, and then you have the total. Now, when you take a look at it with the service life, and we typically find with roll carpet, every time the resident changes, they change the carpet. We're getting 2 residents out of each vinyl plank, and then we're just cleaning the product with Flotex. You can see that your first cost, Flotex is much more expensive, but when you look at the annual cost to own, there's a tremendous value with Flotex. In fact, you're getting half of the real cost to own annually. So please take a look. We have some quotes and other things that we can share with you about this. And I appreciate your time. Thank you.